All right, welcome to the solutions for 5.01 number 2. We'll try to speed through these in what's left of the lunch hour here. After touring a coffee bean farm, Brooke impulsively bought 16 bags of coffee beans. 5 were caramel flavor. If she randomly selects 4 of the bags, what's the probability that just the first 2 have caramel flavor? So then the first 2 that she picks are going to have 2 of the 5 caramel. When she picks 2 of the 16 bags. And then for the rest, she's going to pick 2 of the 11 non-caramel flavors. When she's picking from the 14 bags that are remaining. So we have 5, choose 2, over 16, choose 2. So 16, choose 2. So we have 10 over 120 times 11C2, which is 55. And that is over 14C2, or 91. So 550 over 120 times 91, or and we get 0.0503 and then a 6. So to 4 decimal places, it's 0.0504. So the manager at a fine arts theater has to fit 22 different performances into the upcoming season schedule. Of all the performances, 11 are tragic play performances and 9 are opera. If the manager randomly selects 12 to be performed during the first half of the season, what is the probability that 7 of the chosen performances are tragic play and 5 are opera? So, of the 22, we are picking 12. Oh, sorry, didn't mean to pop that tab out there. So, and we are choosing 7 of the 11 tragic plays and 5 of the 9 operas. So that's 11C7, or 330, times 9C5, which is 126, over 22C12, 646,646. And we get 0.0643 plus other digits, but we're only asked for the first 4. So Beatrice has 56 buttons, 26 of which are blue and 4 of which are purple. If she randomly picks 4 buttons, what's the probability that 2 are blue and 2 are purple? So she is picking 4 out of 56, and that's with 2 of the 26 blue and 2 of the 4 purple. So that is 325 times 4C2 times 56C4. So that is 0.0053 taken to 4 decimal places. So Henry volunteers at a children's hospital as an art director. He brought 48 t-shirts for the children to decorate this week. 33 are small and 12 are extra large. Sounds about right for donated t-shirts. If Henry was in a rush to get to the hospital and he randomly grabbed 4 t-shirts in a specific order, what's the probability that the first 2 are small and the last 2 are extra large? Okay. Henry must have a very disorganized apartment because I'd expect he would have all the sizes grouped together. But we are looking at, for the first 2 small. So of the 48, we're choosing 2, and 33 of them are valid, at least for our purposes. So 33C2 over 48C2. And then for the second one, we're picking 2 of the other 12. And yeah, so there's 2 of the 46. So that is 528. 1,128, and this is times 12C2. I think we've seen a few times, and it is 66. And 46C2 is 1,035. 528 times 66 divided by 1128 times 1035 is not going to be a large number. It is 0.0298, and then 4, 8, and so on and so forth. At the rate we're going, we may only have 2 questions left. So, Kari bought 20 seeds in order to plant her herb garden for her grandmother. Of the seeds she bought, 11 were thyme and 8 were parsley. She chooses 5 at random. What are the odds that the first 2 are thyme and the last 3 are parsley? So, when she's picking the first 2, she needs to pick 2 thyme. So 2 of the 11. And 2 of the 20. So of the 20 seeds, when she grabs 2, 11 are thyme. And then the next 3 are parsley. So there are 8 parsley seeds to pick from. We need 3 of those. And we're picking 3 of the remaining 18. So 11C2, we have 55 times 8C3. That's 56 over 20C2, which is 190. And 18C3 is 819. So let me work all this out. And if I don't make typos in the calculator, we get 0.01986584111, or 9 when we round it to 4 decimal places. And what is likely our last question. Levi and Megan made a list of 27 psychology experiments they want to try at home. Each experiment tackles one specific topic. 5 are about music and memory, 5 are about face recognition. If they choose 5 experiments in a specific order, what's the probability that the first 3 are music and memory, and the last 2 are facial recognition? So, the first 3 of the 27, we need 3 from the group of 5. So 5C3 when we're choosing 3 of the 27. And then for the next one, we want 2 of those 5 chosen from the remaining 24. So 5C3 and 5C2 will each be 10 because of the symmetry of the combinations. 27C3 is 2,925. And 24C3 is 2,024. So when we take this and round it to 4 decimal places, just doing it as is 1.689 times 10 to the negative 5. So 1, 6, 8, 9, so forth, 2, 3, 4. Right, that is 10 to the negative 5. So to 4 decimal places, that's 0. They have it to 1. Okay, so they have 1,200. Okay. So where's the difference? All right, they are dealing with it with permutations, but we have the idea. We'll jump back up. We were at a 98. That's as high as it goes. So there are no more challenging question types than the ones we have. This one just seems to be rounded to a different number of decimal places. But that concludes the 5.01 homework solutions videos.